ir à piscina. Eu já falei. Não, por favor, por favor.
This is a national emergency. Important instructions may follow. This message will be transmitted to the city of New York and New Jersey. National Weather Services had issued a tornado warning for the following counties: New York City and New Jersey. Seek immediate shelter as we give further information. Go to the basement or an inside room without windows on at the lowest floor, bathroom, closet, center hallway, if possible. Avoid a room with windows for added protection. Get under something sturdy, a heavy table or sleeping bag. Please stand by for further updates.